This is a little creeklet again. As you can see, had a lot more water from when I took video earlier today. It's flowing and it's coming all the way up into here. Now I'll back so you can see what it looks like from my place. So you can see it's all full of water over there. Let's go down here. Nice bit of water flowing through. And look at this, the water's already coming up to here. So if it doesn't stop raining anytime soon and keeps giving us another 100 mil or so like we've had today, we're going to be in a bit of a trouble, I think. Because this little creeklet, as you can see, is flooding pretty nicely over here. All the water's powering through. But this is what it's got to go through. So give us another couple of 100 mil over the next couple of days and I reckon this will be up to the bridge. And once it gets up to the top of that bridge line, we're going to have some coming out over the water. Flowing pretty nicely. This morning it wasn't going through the second lot of channels here. There's 4 under here. It was only going through the first 2, which it normally flows through, even when it's running really low. We'll go over to this side and we'll have a look at the outlet. Flowing really nicely, and you can see here it's flowing out this side of the pipes as well, which it wasn't earlier today. Let's have a look, see. It's flowing pretty well now.